Hey, what's going on? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick review of the Emart Collapsible green screen. You can get this on Amazon. Regular price is $159.99. Right now they're on sale for $122.39. I actually got this used for $89.61, so almost half price. So I'll put a link for this down in the description if you want to check it out. Look for that half price deal by buying it used. And I got it used and it's in perfect shape, like brand new. So the box came a little damaged, that was it. This thing is really cool. I've been using it for a few months. Before this, I had a standard green screen with like the poles that you set up and the sheet that's green. And it was really hard to use because the poles take up a lot of space. And if you can see behind me here, I've got my, my desk, my chair, and then like some stuff here, so there wasn't actually enough room for me to use the poles. So what's really nice about this is I can set it up right behind my chair and pull it right up, and it actually goes up in seconds. I'll show you how it works. It's really pretty amazing. So I'm just gonna give you my quick little rundown here of it. First, I'm gonna show you how much it weighs. 17.9 pounds. So it's pretty lightweight. You can easily carry it with one hand, and it sets up in seconds. So as I was talking about with the poles, I don't have enough room to set them up. And what's nice is right here, I have enough room between my end table and my desk that I can slide it right in there a little bit. All right, now before we open it up, there's one really important step. Flip it over and there's these feet on the bottom. So we're gonna flip them out like that. And that's gonna keep this stabilized so that it can't tip when we open it up. So next we're just gonna open up these two clasps right here, flip the top open, and we're ready to pull it up. So from the closed position, that's it. It literally takes 2 seconds to pull the whole thing up. And it's very sturdy. It's not gonna go anywhere. Those feet keep it right intact, so you can push on it and you don't have to worry about it falling over or anything like that. Now I really quickly wanna measure it for you. I pulled it until it actually came off the ground. So that is as high as it goes. And the green stops at 6 foot 5 inches, and it is 4 foot 10 inches across. Now I just want to show you what it looks like on the back side. So you can see there's this armature that kind of like springs out, and it's pretty cool. And then you just, you know, push it right back down. It takes no effort at all, and it goes right back in its case. Close the top, latch it up, and flip the feet, and you're ready to store it. So super easy. So I really love that thing. I use it for all my live streams, and I do it for a lot of my YouTube videos where I'm like, want to superimpose myself over something else. So it's really neat. I think it's a great deal. It's way easier to set up than the sheet. The only downside that I really have to it is the size. A lot of times I have it behind my desk chair and it's not quite as wide as I want it to be, so I have to have the camera cropped down pretty far, but it's wide enough. So let me show you what that looks like really quickly before we end this. All right, so here I am on my other camera that I use at my desk, and as you can see the sides of the screen here. So I have to crop it in like that, which still works okay. It just cuts the top of my head sometimes, so I just have to be careful about where I'm sitting. You know, I might have to raise this up just a hair like that, just to make sure that I don't accidentally put myself out of the screen, and like that. So this is what I mean by it's pretty tight cropped in. If it was a wider screen, it would be able to be wider, and the closer in it is, then obviously the wider it's going to be in the field of view, or the closer the camera is, you know what I mean? But this is where my camera has to be. It's just on top of my monitor, like, you know, 4 feet away from me. And I can't have the screen any closer to me because when I roll it back to get out, like, I don't really have that much room here. So that's the only downside to it. All right, so let me know in the comments what you think about the Emart green screen. If you got anything out of this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. It really helps the channel gain traction on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I'm gonna be making a whole bunch of videos coming up soon, going over all my camera gear and my recording equipment, my mics, all the other stuff that has to do, my lighting. There's going to be lots of videos of that stuff to come on this channel. So subscribe and ring the notification bell right next to the subscribe button. That way you can be notified when those videos come out. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.